Can we hear a big round of applause for this team, the first team to qualify for the mains today? So you can take any of the six seats, any of the six tables. It's up to you. Any of the six tables. Okay, all right. All right. I will tell the sequencing later on. It like doesn't matter because we have a buzzer, so and it will be a pounds format. The next team to qualify is Dilip Kumar Harma and Raktim Ranjan Boishya. I invite them to the front stage. You can take any of the any of the five remaining tables. Any of the five remaining tables. The third team to qualify is a team consisting of Sayan Majumdar and Kamal Medhi. So you can take any of the four seats left. Any of the four seats. The sitting pattern would not disrupt your whole planning process. That I can assure. Because I'll be taking up a new format of quizzing today, and this will be the first time probably in whole of Assam that like this format will be taken. So yeah, all right. Score, Nirmal sir will be there. The next team to qualify, the name of the team is Gangs of Beltola, consisting of Sandipan Goswami and Sudarshan Goswami. Gangs of Beltola, that's their team name. You can take any of the remaining three tables. The fourth team to qualify is a team consisting of Kapinjal Chaudhary and Bishayan Bhattacharya. Can we have a bigger round of applause? Thank you. And the last team to qualify, who has scored the highest in today's prelims with 19 marks, and they call themselves Hiramani 11, consisting of Sobhik Bhattacharya and Mridul Ram Kolita. Hiramani 11. So by default, you'll have to take that seat. Will you be able to see the screen clearly? Specifically on Borpeta. Okay. So I will start the first round. Now the rules of engagement. Okay, to team number one. So I call this round as Take It Easy. Question 1 to team number 1. The company XY is a British Swedish multinational company. Okay, team 5. Okay, yeah, team 5. All right. The company XY is a British Swedish multinational company which had been in the news for the last couple of years. The name of this company, X, means star in Greek, while Y is an invented word which the agency came up with when they were instructed to find a name with either the first letter or the last letter of the English alphabet. Which company am I talking about? Please maintain some silence towards this side. Please maintain some silence, please. Please maintain some silence. This is direct to team number 1. Team number 5, team number E has buzzed. Is absolutely correct. Let's hear a huge round of applause for team number E. Plus 10 to team number E. Plus 10 to team number E. On your mic now.
AstraZeneca.
Is absolutely correct. This is AstraZeneca. Astra means star. Zeneca is a made-up rule in India. The color of this wearable item is uniformly same. Oh, somebody has gone for it. Team number 5. Okay. Team number 5. Since the British rule in India, the color of this wearable item is uniformly same. Off video. The color that would help keep the individuals wearing the item cooler during summers. What is being spoken about? Let me simplify the question. Amar gote dekhot kiba eta pindhibo para bostu eta gote bharatot eketa color hoy okol West Bengalot beleg hoy কিয় হয় কাৰণ ওয়েস্ট বেংগল ষ্টেটটো যিটো ৰাজ্য হয় বিৰাট গৰম ৰাজ্য সেইকাৰণে সেই কালাৰটো বেলেগ হয় গোটেই দেশত এনে একে টিম নম্বৰ 1 Oh, I'm sorry. Hide your answer. Hide your answer. Correct. Correct. Team E plus 10. On the mic. Team 1, team 1.
Uniform of police kake
Is absolutely correct. Amar dekhot policeor uniform gote dekhor rajyor kane eke hoy. Okol West Bengalor policeor uniform boga hoy karon West Bengal is a warm state aru he karone ki hoy boga color pine. This is the only difference between the A 16th century naval commander John Hawkins were powerful warships extensively used during the Dutch and the Europeans during naval attacks. This differed from other warships of that era as it used to be much faster due to the strategic combination of 3-mast and 5-sail combinations used on the warship. Everything would be white in color. My question is, which animal gets its name due to the resemblance of such ships in the 16th century? Team number 1 has gone for it. -10. -10 to team number 1. -10. Team number 2, on your mic now.
It's a beluga. Well,
Good guess, but no. Team number 3,
koala
koala. Koala is in the like the koala bear.
koala bear
Okay. No, I fear not. Team number 4,
great white
great
Shark.
white shark. You mean to say the shark, the great white shark?
yeah
No.
is it man of war?
That is a brilliant answer. That's a brilliant answer. Kibata zontu a ship khonor nisna dekhar karane naam to paise and that is okay. One second. +10. Good +10 team number 5. Good +10. Brilliant. Takes me to team number 2 again. This is your second direct on the screen now. According to the old property laws of United Kingdom of 1663, if a person has ancient lights, these 2 words engraved around their windows, they enjoy a certain legal right in the country. In recent times, the law went through various disputes as it made certain actions illegal. Which right is enjoyed? And if you can explain what are made illegal under this right, that would be just perfect. If you know the first part, you would automatically know the second part. UK এটা law এটা আছে যদি কাৰোবাৰ ঘৰত এনচিয়েন্ট লাইন্স বুলি যদি এটা পোষ্টাৰ এটা মৰা থাকে সেই ঘৰৰ মানুহবিলাকৰ এটা ৰাইট থাকে মাই কুৱেশ্যন ইজ হোৱাট ইজ দ্যাট ৰাইট টিম নাম্বাৰ 2 I mean like if you know the first part you would automatically know the second part all right team number 2 I have to rush you
সূৰ্যৰ পোহৰ পোৱাৰ অধিকাৰ
and wow it's illegal to
That is a cracker of an answer. Let's give a huge round of applause. That's a cracker of an answer. Good +10. Good +10 team number 2. If any house in UK has these 2 words engraved in their walls, it means that they have the right to natural sunlight. So হেকাৰণে তাৰ আখে পাখে গছ ৰুব নোৱাৰে তাৰ আখে পাখে বিল্ডিংছ বনাব নোৱাৰে and this went under through a dispute. Team number 6 has gone for it. That's a brilliant +10. That's a brilliant +10. +10 team number 6. Can we have a bigger round of applause? See, it's not easy answering all those things in a live quiz. Good +10. So Indira Gandhi broke away from the then Indian National Congress and formed her own political party called INCR, Requisitionist. Later on, Indira Gandhi led INCR and won the 1971 general election by an overwhelming majority. So my question is, Indira Gandhi and নতুন political party to যেতিয়া বনাইছিলে তাৰ election symbol বা political party symbol to কি আছিলে and there is hint there vote for dash forget all others now. Team number 3, this is your direct on the mic.
yeah so they had a cow and a calf basically
They had a cow and a calf. Do you want to better your answer? Because vote for cow and calf, forget all others now.
I mean, like, basically, progress. Vote for progress. Forget all others now. So, progress. So, Congress. Vote for Congress. Cow and cow.
Okay, okay. I might come back to you. I might come back to you. Team number.
Vote for calf and cow, forget all others now.
Correct, correct. Vote for calf and cow. Vote for calf and cow. Forget all others now. Okay, yeah. This show you some troubles here. Yeah. Vote for calf and cow. The election symbol of the Indian National Congress, which was formed by Indira Gandhi, was calf and a cow. So what I'll do is this. I'll give +10 to team number 4 and +5 to team number 3. Fair enough. And there is a reason why I had given this particular, what is regarded as America's best business deal in history. Oh, somebody has gone for it. Positive. If you get it correct, that would be truly a cracker of an answer. Oh, that's brilliant. Good +10. Let's hear a huge round of applause for this team. They are on fire. They are on fire. Okay, shh. This photo depicts what is regarded as America's best business deal in history. This business deal was carried out by the then United States Secretary of State, William Seward, for an amount of $7.2 million. During the initial days, many thought it would be the worst decision by America and gave the deal the name of Seward's Folly or Seward's Foolishness. But as time passed, it was proven otherwise. So my question is, what was the center point of the business deal? Team number 3 on the mic now.
Okay, so we have basically 2 answers, okay, but I will give the first answer.
All right.
Which came to my mind. So I believe this was a deal wherein America basically got Manhattan as a city.
America got a
Manhattan as
Manhattan
a
as a city?
Yeah.
all right. Takes me to the next team.
This is the purchase of Hawaii.
This is the purchase of Hawaii from
Hawaii is from the
Barbados.
indigenous people for 24 something.
No. Takes me to team number 6.
This is the purchase of Alaska.
That is a brilliant answer. This is a purchase of Alaska from USSR, the then undivided. In Latin, I'll just move. In Latin, the word dash means on the left side. In various someone has gone for it. Team number 1 has gone for it. Cracker of an answer. Good +10. Good +10. Team number A. All right, I will complete the question. In various religious cultural beliefs, actions and deeds done from the left side is considered evil, unlucky, wrong, or threatening. In one account of the Judaism Christian mythical text, the left side of the body is associated with inferiority, while the right side is associated with superiority. In Hindu beliefs, one must enter a temple with the right leg first. Which word is thus Which word is thus commonly used in spoken English language? Team number 4. কোনোবা এটা শব্দ ইংলিছত আমি যে বাওঁ হাতেৰে বা বাওঁ ভৰিৰে যে নকৰোঁ সেই প্ৰেক্টিছৰ পৰা এটা শব্দ এটা ওলালে which owes its origin to the Latin for on the left side.
Is it liberal?
Is it liberal? No. Ominous from omen. A bad omen. No. Team number 6.
Chagrin.
Chagrin. Not the answer that I'm looking for. Takes me to team number 2.
Kosher.
Question.
Kosher.
Kosh.
Kosher.
Kosher. Okay. No, not the answer that I'm looking for.
Sinister.
That's absolutely correct. Sinister. আমি যেতিয়া মন্দিৰলৈ যাম, somebody has gone for it. Correct. Plus 10 team number A. Team number A. According to one misconception, the name of this drinkable item had come from the fact that the pH scale is over a specific number. However, in reality, the pH value of this drink is 3.79. In another account, the drink is named so signifying the number of main ingredients used to make the product. Identify the drink which was created by Charles Griggs. Team number D.
7-Up.
Is correct. 7-Up is absolutely correct. Plus 10 team number D. Team number D. Team number A. Okay, so two done. Team number E, this is your direct, 2 questions direct. Okay, I'll just go to the other side. It's getting extremely hot. Yeah. I'll just see, because I'll have to move around, no? Because I'll have to check the answers. Okay, all right. Okay, team number E. This is your direct. Oh, one of my favorite. In March 2021, this untitled painting by V.S. Gaitonde became the most expensive Indian artwork. Oh, somebody has gone for it. Team number 2. Minus 10 to team number B. Minus 10 to team number D. Alright, in March 2021, this untitled painting by V.S. Gaitonde became the most expensive Indian artwork to have ever been sold for a whopping amount of rupees 39.98 crores. A